Hey everyone, welcome back to Pably, and in this video you are going to learn how you can use Typeform to add subscribers in MailerCloud application automatically. So we are going to do this with the help of automation, and this automation is designed and created to fast pace and level up your email marketing process. So let me show you how this is going to work. So the flow of this automation is going to look like this. As and when any lead of yours is going to submit your form, which you have created with the help of Typeform application. So in place of Typeform, you can use any other form building application as well. Okay, and as and when you'll receive a form submission via Typeform, the person who is filling this form is going to be added as a contact in MailerCloud application automatically. So here you do not need to collect the data of your leads manually and add those leads one by one as your subscribers in MailerCloud. So this is going to save your manual efforts and your energy and your time, and it will improve your productivity as well. Okay, and to make this happen, we are using Pably Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any person can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pably Connect account. For this, you can check the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pably Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. So after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pably Connect here like this. And on this page, guys, you have to start working by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button. And here you have to give a proper title or a suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So here I have given the name to this workflow as add Typeform leads to subscribers in MailerCloud automatically. Now you can click here on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created here like this. Okay. And on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of any event which is going to trigger this workflow, and the action is the response towards that trigger. Okay. So as in our use case, the trigger would be a new form submission from any lead, and the action would be to add that same person as a subscriber or contact in MailerCloud application. Okay. So first of all, you have to set up your trigger here. So first of all, from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application, which is Typeform in our case. Select Typeform. Okay. And the trigger event, you have to select this new entry option. So it will trigger this workflow when a new entry is received from the form. Okay. Select this, then click on connect. And from this window, select add new connection. Then click on connect with Typeform. Okay. And here it will ask for you to log in if you are not logged in. As I have already logged in Typeform, it is just asking me to give the required access to connect. So from here you just have to click on accept, and you will be connected with Typeform like this. Okay, right. And here now it is asking for the form that you are using to collect your subscribers data. Okay, so here I have created this form. You can see the name of this form is registration form. Okay, and from this I'm going to share this form with my audience to collect their data. Okay, so you have to select this form from this form field. Okay, this is my form, registration form. Now click on save and send test request, and it will start showing this waiting for the response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission or a demo submission from your form to fetch the details of a demo person from your form to here in Pably Connect. Okay, and with the help of that demo data, we are going to move forward, right? So you have to open your form now. So I'm clicking on share here, and I'm going to open this form with the help of this shareable link. So I'm just copying this link and I'm opening here in new tab. Okay, and here you can see this is a form. It is showing fill the form to receive product updates. Okay, so I'm going to click on get in touch, and here I am going to put the name of the person as any demo person's name you can use. I'm putting here Salman Khan. Okay, and then email ID of this person you have to put here. Okay, Right now, you have to put the contact number in the last. So I'm putting here. Okay, and I'm submitting this form, and you can see the form is submitted. Okay, now let me show you in Pabbly Connect if we have received the data of this form submission, and you can see we have received the data of the form submission like this in this response received section. You can see the details from the form like this. You can see the name of the person, okay, the last name, the email address, okay, and the number as well, right? So this is how you can get the data here. Now I want to add this person as a contact in my list I have in MailerCloud application, which is a email marketing tool. Okay, so for that to happen, you have to connect your MailerCloud application here in the Sections tab. So just click here on the Sections tab and you have to search for MailerCloud here. So this is MailerCloud, select it. And in the action event, you have to select add contact to list option. So it will add a new contact to selected MailerCloud's list. Okay. Then click on connect here. And from this window, select add new connection. And then it will ask for the API key to make the connection with MailerCloud. Okay. So you have to find this key by navigating to the account section and then the integration sections of your MailerCloud account. So you can follow this instruction. Let me show you how you can find this key. So I'm going to my MailerCloud's dashboard. So let me close this list here. Okay, and here you can see I have this profile icon of Pabbly Connect. Okay, and so this is the account owner's name, and from here I'm going to click on account section, and here I'm going to click on this integrations tab, and here I'm going to click on API integrations. So under this API integrations, you will find this key. You just have to copy this key from here and paste this key here in. So you can create a new key here by clicking on create API key. So I have already created one, so I'm going to use this only. Okay, so here I'm pasting the key. Okay, then click on save and you'll be connected with MailerCloud in few moments like this. Okay, and here it is asking for the list name in which you want to add the person. Okay, so here I have a list of my audience. You can see these are the lists I have, and I want to add this person in Typeform list that I have created. Okay, this one. So select this Typeform list from the list section. Okay, and then it is asking for the email of the contact. Okay, so I'm going to map the email ID and all these things from the first step. Okay, because we have received the data from Typeform here in the first step. So I'm going to map the details required to create a contact in MailerCloud here. So to map the email, just click here and you will find this Typeform new entry option in the drop down, and from here only you can get the email ID and you can map it. So you will find the email address here as this. Just map it, and you can select the contact type as bounced or abused or unsubscribes or active. So I'm making it active here. And now it is asking for the first name. So let me map the first name here. So you'll find the first name here in this section like this. And for the last name, map the last name. So you'll find the last name also here. So this is the last name. Okay, and we do have the phone number as well. So let me map the phone number. So here you will find the phone number like this. Okay, and if you have all these details also, country, city, state, zip, industry, organization, department, you can map all these things if you have the data. Right now I do not have all these data, so and these are not compulsory things to map. So I have just mapped the things that I have, and here you can enter the lead source name as well. So the lead source is Typeform. I'm entering Typeform manually. Okay, right. Now you can check your connection with the MailerCloud application by clicking on save and send test request, and a new contact will be added here in this contact section. So you can see in this list Typeform, we have only 2 contacts right now. And let me click here on save and send test request, and we will see what will happen. And here you can see it has shown us this ID in the response. Let me show you if a new contact got added or not. So I'm refreshing my list here. And let me open contact section, and you can see Salman is added here like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time. Okay, so we are done setting up this automation. So guys, setting up this automation like this is one time process. You just have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here in this workflow. After that, as and when you receive a form submission via Typeform, the contact will be added in your MailerCloud application automatically. So I can show you a real-time example as well. So here I'm opening my form again. Okay, and I'm going to fill this form again. So this time the person is Josh. Let's say the name is Josh. Last name is Anderson. Okay. And let this be the email ID of this person. Okay, and lastly the contact number, sorry, and I'm submitting this form. So you can see the form is submitted here. Now I'll show you directly in MailerCloud application if a new contact got added or not. So here is my MailerCloud's list. I'm refreshing it again, and here you can see Josh is here. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. And let me give you a quick recap how I set up this automation. So first of all, in the trigger, I connected Typeform, and after making the connection, I have fetched a demo response of a form here like this. After that, I connected MailerCloud in the Actions tab, selected the list, mapped the data like this, and we have seen that our connection was working properly. And guys, the good part is you can use this same workflow that I've just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.